Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which audio or video codecs and DRM types are present on your Android smartphones. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Codec Info. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will auto-detect all the audio and video codecs as well as the DRM types that are present on your respective Android smartphone. So right now you can see here tons of audio codecs that are present on my respective Android smartphone, and you might see some exclamatory marks showing here. So you can click on it and you can read some instruction non-issues detected. So you can see here some descriptions and you can check the sources, and below you will see tons of more details which you can check out by yourself. And next option is the video. So similarly, under the video also you will see tons of video formats or the video codecs that are present on my respective Android smartphones. So you can click on the respective codecs to check the details of each video codecs. And the last one is the DRM types. So under DRM types, you can see Apple ClearPlay, clear and wide one. So you can check for the wide one support. So you can see here wide one L1 is being supported in my respective Android smartphones. So by using this cool application named as Codec Info, you can easily find out which audio or video codecs and DRM types are present on your Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.